na girimiti ya gutigirira ati nimateithania kuma sekta itiganite ari hamwe na sekta ya ugima wa mwiri guku makiranira kumatia ndugu gatagati ka mabururi maya meri ari ta njira ya gitio president wa Indonesia noria wikaine ta Joko Widodo ni ahurirwo tharuti kana ni ahurirwo mishiga 41 ni ruhonge rwa mbiraru ari ta njira ya gitio kuma kuri president William Samoei Ruto guku magithi na mbere na kwiranira ni megutigirira ni marutithania wira niguo mabururi maya makana mabururi maya meri makoro makiyukiria kiwonjoria. Kiroko kia umuthi President William Ruto ni anyitire ugeni muruna we wa Indonesia Joko Widodo na rita njira ya gitio Widodo arathukirio tharuti 21 cia kibiraru. Gukiri uguo ni mandikanire girimiti sekta-ini itiganite ari hamwe na ministry ya hinya wa mahuthiro wakiuga ati ni njira ya gutigirira ati wonjoria ni wakorwo ugiukiriria.
Discussed trade and investment as well as collaboration in education and vaccine development. I'm happy to inform you that His Excellency President Widodo and I have witnessed this signing of memorandum here in cooperation in different areas, in energy, which will facilitate investment in energy, geothermal to be specific, transmission and distribution of the power that will be generated.
Ruto ni ataririe ati wonjoria thoko-ini cia ithwiro ya Africa ni gukorwo ikihiguka undu uria ukugacirithia riera riega ria uruti wa wira.
These value addition ventures will catapult the value of our trade relations and leverage on the comparative advantage of Kenya to access the East African and the African market, and for Indonesia, for us to also access the ASEAN market in that region. We have additionally discussed the importance of entering into a bilateral investment treaty, as I have said, that will provide a stable and predictable investment environment, which is a precondition for accelerated private sector investment.
Girimiti no ni rikitie gutamburukio nginya sekta-ini ya urigitani niguo bururi uhote gwiteithiriria na makilia hindi ria wagomerwo ni ungwati wa ing'uki.
Two nations have also concluded an MOU between the Kenya Pharmacy and Poisons Board and the Indonesia Food and Drug Authority, which will facilitate the strengthening, promotion, development, and implementation of regulatory cooperation in pharmaceutical products.
Meneni wake Widodo ni ahibirie undu huyu akiuga ati
Indonesia dapat menjadi pintu masuk ke Kenya, ke ASEAN, dan Kenya dapat menjadi pintu masuk
as an entry point for Indonesia to sub-Saharan Africa. Therefore, I encourage the establishment of a preferential trade agreement as soon as possible.
Handũ-inĩ ha Mũthingi TV ria kwone Kariuki wa Duati. Haya, riu ni icera ria president wa bururi wa Indonesia guku bururi-ini tuthi na mbere kana